Hey guys, what's up? Well, the corona pandemic has affected all in many ways, including the communication pattern. Whether you realize it or not, communication skills are impacting both your personal and professional life. In this video, we will talk about ways to avoid communication breakdown by using this simple effective tool of 7 C's of communication. Before that, subscribe right away and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out my future videos. Well, the 7 C's of communication are courtesy, conciseness, clarity, consideration, completeness, correctness, and concreteness. Remember, always talk to express, not to impress. Let's dive deep into this. Courtesy. This is the most coolest, simplest, and whatnot, but the rarest of all. Courtesy costs you nothing but wins many hearts. Trust me when I say this. Always be polite and appreciative. Use expressions like good job, well done, have a great day, and avoid irritating and insulting expressions. Remember, respect is a two-way street. Give it and take it. Conciseness. Communicate what you want to convey in least possible words. Avoid using excessive and needless words. Message should always be non-repetitive in nature, so cut it short. Example, use single word like now instead of saying at this time, therefore instead of as a result, and also instead of saying in addition to this. Clarity. Choose smart, familiar words. Talk to express, not to impress. Don't try to achieve too much at once. It makes understanding easier. For example, use the word adorable instead of saying so cute. Replace very perfect with flawless and transparent instead of saying you're very open. Consideration. It implies stepping into the shoes of others. Have you heard this phrase? Which means to consider the mindset, attitude, and education level of the receiver. Empathize and try not to hurt their self respect and emotions. Emphasize on you approach by keeping the focus on the reader. Completeness. Ensure your message is complete by checking for these WH questions: who, what, when, where, why, and how, which is more than enough to convey all the facts required by the audience. Most important, correctness. It implies using proper grammar and spelling in a sentence. Use appropriate language, formal and informal words. For example, instead of saying I'm sorry, try using I apologize. Avoid substandard language like ain't. Instead, use isn't or aren't. Let's look at this interesting example. Let's eat grandma. How does that sound? Being hungry, right? Whereas with a comma in between, let's eat, grandma, sounds more like a request, isn't it? So, guys, punctuation saves lives. Last but not the least, concreteness. Always be specific and to the point because people have no time for your shit. Support with specific facts and figures. Instead of bluntly saying student GMAT scores are higher, support the statement with numbers because people in Asia love numbers. Seriously, I'm not joking. Also, use active voice instead of passive voice. Alright, guys, it's time to become a smart mouth. Thank you so much for watching.